Hello friends. So today I'm going to be making a simple website using HTML. So let's start now. So first you can open any code editor you want. For this video I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code. First let's make a new file and let's save it as um yeah. So wait a minute, I'll just go to the file I want to save it as. So good. Okay, so over here I'm going to name this as index.html, or if you want you could also do it just plain HTML. And then over here let's go to HTML. As you can see you can name any of these, but I'm going to be naming this HTML. And then after this is done, your HTML code will be saved. So if you're using the same code editor as me, then if you just type in a exclamation mark, yeah, if you just type in a exclamation mark, it just says over here emit abbreviation, and then just type in enter and almost everything would come. So first I'm just going to take out all this. So then as you can see, this is kind of like the basic HTML code you want. So over here the title, whatever you want your website's name to be. So over here I type my website. And then after that's done, you can go to the body, and then over here I'm going to be writing a h1 tag, and then over here I'm going to be typing welcome to my website. Okay, so now after that is done, I am going to write in a short paragraph. So if you don't know what this h1 tag means, this h1 tag basically means like a heading 1 tag. Then this p means a paragraph. So then I'm going to type welcome to my channel. Sorry, welcome to my website. And then whatever you write, I'm just going to type in this website. You will be learning about let's say about HTML, about HTML and CSS. So if you don't know what CSS is like like a styling kind of language. And then after this is done, let's save this. And then after you've done it, go so then go, and if you're working on a like Windows, do Windows key and R, and then I'm just going to type in File Explorer, then enter. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm just going to open it with this. Need run. Okay, after that is done, you can open this up, and then as you can see, this pops up. Welcome to my website, and then blah 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 blah. Okay, yes, alright. So yeah. So after this is done, you can see this is not like if you want this to be in the center, if I want this to be in the center, so just over here and over here, let's type in a center tag, center, and then done. Over here, you can just copy this much and then delete this, and then after this h1 tag, or after the paragraph only, so like after the paragraph, I'm going to just copy this up, and then as you can see, this is done. Just save this, go back to your website, and as you can see, this is right in the middle. And now this is a little bit plain. I want this to be like a little bit stylish kind. So if you want that, you can just go over here and then do style, and then you can do like whatever you want. So I'm just going to do with font, font family. And let's say I'm going to do sans serif, and font size would be at least 20, no, not 20, at least 60 pixels, 60 px. Save this, open your this, and then, and as you can see, this is 60 px with sans serif. And now if you want to change this, like if I want to change this, I'll just do my chiller. So this is also like a font, and this chiller has came in. And now if you want the color, over here, and then do make a closing tag which would be a semicolon, and then we can write color, and then a colon, and then this, whatever you want. So over here I want it to be like, let's see, purple, no, there are many colors, so I'm going to do, I like, I'm going to do turquoise. Let's save this, open, and then as you can see, this is came in turquoise. Now we also need to do some for this. So if you don't know many fonts, just go over here and open up Word, a new Word doc, or if you don't want a Word doc or whatever you want, but remember to open with the MS Word, whatever comes in the MS Word pack. So over here, as you can see, this font, and now you can just choose anything you want. So let's see, equals empty. What's equals empty? So it comes like this. If you want, just go over here, and then I'm just going to copy this and do the same steps we did. Style, font family, control V, equals empty, and then our font size would be a little bit bigger. So let's see, we could do it at least 30 pixels, which would be 30 px, and then the color we could write, let's say I'm going to type in just P, and then let's see, I'm just going to do with pale golden rod. Save this, and let's reload this page. You can see this, but this is a little bit too dim. So let's do P again, and this time let's do, let's say plum. Save this, and then let's go back to this website, and as you can see this. So now you have made your own, very first website. Thank you for watching, and please hit that subscribe button and also the like button. Bye.